Many people think their room would look better if they had a bigger budget. But that's usually not the real problem. Some expensive rooms still feel crowded and uncomfortable. And some simple rooms feel calm, beautiful, and intentional. The difference is rarely money. The difference is decisions. Good design is not about buying more things. It's about knowing what actually matters before spending anything. Not everything in a room deserves the same budget. Spend more carefully on the things you use every day. A comfortable sofa, a good mattress, lighting that makes the room feel welcoming, a correctly sized rug that brings the room together. These decisions affect comfort, function, and how the room feels. Then save on the things that are easy to change. Pillows, accessories, small decor, seasonal items. These pieces can evolve over time. A smart budget isn't equal spending everywhere. It's intentional spending where it creates the biggest impact. One of the biggest design mistakes is buying something immediately. Many rooms don't need more furniture. They need better placement. Maybe the sofa is too far away. Maybe a chair blocks circulation. Maybe one corner feels heavy while another feels empty. Sometimes moving one piece completely changes the room. Try rearranging first. Walk through the room. Sit down. Use it. Test it. Only then ask yourself, what is actually missing? Sometimes the answer is a larger rug, a better lamp, or maybe nothing at all. Most budget mistakes happen because of emotional shopping. You see a beautiful room online, you find something on sale, you feel excited, and suddenly it seems like the perfect purchase. But before buying anything, ask yourself, what problem does this solve? Where will it go? Does it match my style direction? Does it fit my room? Will I still like it 6 months from now? A low price does not make the wrong item a good decision. Good rooms are built slowly, one thoughtful decision at a time. Beautiful homes are not created by spending the most money. They're created by spending with intention. Understand what the room needs. Spend where comfort and function matter. Save where things can easily change. Rearrange before buying. And slow down before every purchase. Because a limited budget can still create a home that feels thoughtful, comfortable, and beautifully designed.